arrived safely in Porto, and we just checked in this crazy, I would say like mid-century inspired Airbnb. A lot of light, we got quite so many windows. It's a very nice old kitchen. And coming to my favorite part is why I booked this place for the shooting, because we're also doing a lookbook shooting here. We go here, and we got this crazy, I've never seen this before, like a corner window with a crazy view on the old city of Porto with the river. I think it's a river, it's like connected to the ocean, but I think it's crazy. So this could basically be like the shot of the model being here. And yeah, got like a flash too, so it's kind of crazy. And then we have a little terrace with a whirlpool. I don't know if we use this one, depends if it's heated or not. And yeah, crazy view, bro. Weather is supposed to be super rainy, but we already got some sun. I think it's like bipolar. We got like sun, rain. But yeah, probably heading to the city now. Haven't eaten anything today. And then checking out some stores, some bars. So we're out for brunch now. We're at this place called Out to Lunch. Actually, literally out for lunch. Yeah, we all got curry katsu, and it's a beautiful space. Some tea, some yuzu, cauliflower appetizer. Yeah, it's pretty cool. They also have a store right next to it, like a concept store. Mighty fine. Just had some lunch, it was actually very nice. And now we're on the way to this famous bridge. I think it's called Ponte Luis. We're in this garden, just passed here, surprisingly. And we had it's pretty good weather now, so pretty lucky. It's supposed to be raining all weekend. I'm wearing the new varsity that is coming out soon. Yeah, we're shooting it in 2 days. Got the calfskin leather sleeves, tent, the LJ, the Liu patch, movement without rush. So everything is like kind of movement related. Got the spirals, the wind swirls, and the jumping cat on the back. With the 22, that's where I started the brand. Yeah, it's very calming here. Pretty lucky. On the way to the bridge now. Actually, really surprised by the city. The vibe overall. I've never been here, only been to the south of Portugal. And especially in the sun, I feel like this is a city that you really enjoy, like anywhere else in the sun. We have a great time so far. And yeah, might check out a few stores today, but other than that, probably just do some sightseeing. I also started shooting film with this Olympus AF1 Mini. Damn, bro, imagine hooping here. Crazy. Crazy. Good morning, y'all. Weather's not looking too good. It's the third day, and we're just getting ready because we're driving to the factory today, to the footwear factory. And actually, I've never visited a factory, so it's gonna be pretty cool to see. It's about like a 30-minute drive from Porto, and yeah, that's the weather. It's not looking too good. Straight up ass. But anyways, probably taking some behind the scenes there. Probably taking some behind the scenes there, checking the process, the fabrics, because the shoe model isn't done yet. We just do some tests, because we have 3 soles left, so that's gonna be the plan. Yeah, I like this sole a lot. Very good. What is up, y'all? We're here at the shoe factory near Porto. It's very cool to see each process. There's like, I don't know, 8 to 10 processes, like machines, heating, freezing, pressing. Yeah, we sampled this open toe one, which has a vibrant sole. Not sure about the leather yet. Also, this one will be lined. We're looking for the perfect shape right now. And we're also testing a closed version, like a clock, to see what's better, because this one will definitely work better all year, and this one is more like summer vibe. But I like both, so we're testing both shoes, like final versions, and then move on from there. But yes, like Vibram, not too thick, so it still works as a sandal. Cork sole, which will be lined and sway, and a very nice upper. Like this one's like full grain with a nice finish. This one is, I'm not sure, but yeah, it's just test. This could be. What do you think? This or this? Yeah, I think so too. 1 or 4. Good morning, all. It's the shooting day. Weather is probably the worst it's been so far. But anyways, we got a big flash to shoot with, so there should be no problem. I just prepared cause we don't really have a rack here. Kind of turned out pretty cool. Put all the outerwear there, and the bottoms underneath at the kitchen. Love the warm tones. And yeah, we just ordered some food. I don't know what is the name of it, but it is pastries from this famous pastry shop, some baguettes, whatever, some sweet treats, I guess. Cokes, just woke up. Footwear, gotta bring some more shoes upstairs. We got some hiking boots, some military derbies like Ori, New York, classic Chucks. And this is the spring collection, as you guys can tell. Quick go through. This collection is basically like military inspired, like vintage inspired. Try to put like the brand identity into it too. So we made this varsity jacket. I would say we start with this one because this one is the most complex piece. I basically put all the branding into this piece because you cannot do it in the early days. It's gotta take some time and patience. So we got the spirals from our Spider-Man, which kind of like symbolize wind. Leo Corp, LJ for Liu, like a nice contrast navy tent, and the jumping cat on the back with the 22. That's when I started working on the brand. And yeah, it's featured with like some nice buttons, super smooth, diamond lining, leather details, 100% wool, and calfskin sleeves. So as you can tell, it's like super thick. Yeah, it's the variety we've been working on. It's not very cropped, it's slightly cropped, as you can tell. Probably one of my favorite pieces. And besides that, I made a flight jacket again. Kind of a little bit boxier than the one we did before, the Jazz Night bomber. But this time we added a leather collar, kind of getting a rise in popularity. It's just a sample, this will be a little bit more darker, so it kind of blends in more. But yeah, nice ribbing, very low saturated colors, not too poppy, not too bright. Probably perfect in my opinion. And to match it off, because it's very low key, we added some orange lining, like OG jackets. And this one is a CWU bomber, but with pockets of a MA1, so it's pretty cool. And besides that, we got like a nice spring summer shirt, 50% nylon, 50% cotton, just our signature tag, some pearl buttons and cream. I've been working on the perfect, like everybody that I know is always looking for the perfect gray hoodie or the perfect everyday hoodie. I really put sweat and tears into this piece, just making the perfect everyday hoodie. So I made this 100% cotton loop wheel double snap hoodie, which is inspired of 90s Rossi Athletic. Gotta give credits to. And it's slightly cropped, it's like a perfect heather gray in my opinion. Nice hood, and the fabric is like almost like a towel. It's super, you know, it's like super soft. And 400 GSM, because I have been working on with heavier fabrics, but 400 GSM is like perfect for all years. So yeah, I came up with this. It's also coming in a vintage black colorway. I might just put it on later, because this is my only fit, because everything I took with me is for the shooting, and I don't have any personal clothes, so yeah. And we got some nice hats. The one I'm wearing right now, it's a track and field hat, 1984 Olympics, pretty contrast-like. We got a burgundy, a blue colorway, probably will be darker for the final sample. A gray wool hat, New York souvenir, pretty simple, Leo on the back. Two salvage denims, which are also perfect in my opinion. It's a lightweight fabric, 11 or 12 ounce, probably in between. We got like this buffalo leather patch, hand stitched, it's very thick. A very vintage like wash, because I used all my references, my Levi's 517s, orange tabs, and yeah, it blends, it works so well because it's like salvage fabric, you know. So this one was very complex to make. Took like a couple samples. And we also have the same one in a dark gray colorway, but in a more even wash, so there's no washing stains or like white spots, it's just evenly washed. It's a dark gray savage colorway. The edges are kind of like fading, as you can tell. I really like the detail. New buttons, Leo crest button, like a donut button, very durable. And obviously salvage, dark gray. Super hard to find in my opinion. Like a great evenly washed denim that is not too much wash, just perfect for every day. I feel like these two denims are like my dailies recently. And just one more thing, it's some everyday chinos inspired of like French army overalls. It's just a washed navy, almost like sun fade chino. Pretty relaxed. The fit is quite nice, just for every day. Got some back pockets, some flat pockets, new buttons, and simple construction. But that's what I need like for most of the time. Just a simple fit. Don't think too much. Just put it on with some nice boots, and that's it. Same in black. So yeah, that's the collection so far. It's the spring collection. There will be a there will be a small summer drop, but yeah, that's what's dropping in spring summer. So it actually is very good that the Airbnb has so many windows. So even though the weather is probably couldn't be worse, it's so much light, as you can tell. It's very good. Hier gegen die Wand zu schießen, dann poppt das so, dann ist das so einfach mal gegen die Wand einfach. You can see the reflection. Yeah, this fit goes crazy. Yeah, the fit is very nice. Alright, we're almost done. Actually, I think it's the 7th fit. We do just one more with both bombers on. Turned out very nice. Very fit. Good contrast with the sleeves of the shirt.
But this one is really worth.
Was ist das hier in der Mitte?
Das Burrata, das Arancini.
Ah. With the nature wine. Lasagna. It's a good way to end the trip. It's actually pretty good. It's like, I don't know, rice, meat. Trying the pork belly.
Boah, ist krass.